Hi, this is Jennifer with VirtualPBX, and today I'll be showing you how to use the incoming call handling feature within Dash. To start, click on Main Number, and then click on Incoming Call Handling. Please note that Office Hours Strategy, Office Holidays, and Incoming Call Handling will only appear if you have an assigned main company number. Here, you will see the Incoming Call Handling tabs and options. The first option is Incoming Call to Virtual Receptionist. This will direct your callers to a virtual receptionist where they can dial an option or an extension, selecting where they want to be routed. The second option is Incoming Call to a User, then to Virtual Receptionist. This is the live operator configuration. A call will be initially routed to a selected user who can answer the call. If the agent fails to answer or is busy, the inbound caller will then be transferred to the virtual receptionist where they can dial an option or an extension, selecting where they want to be routed. This option has a set ring duration of 20 seconds for the initial user or group selected. If the call goes to the virtual receptionist, then rules for the user, menu, or group will be followed. If you choose either one of these options, click on Virtual Receptionist, and you can opt to have the menu options go to users or ring groups. For example, here, if you press 1, you will go to customer support, or if you press 2, you will go to Charlie Chaplin, or if you press the default option, it will go to the Smart PBX directory. You also have a selection of greetings to choose from, and you can even opt for a professional recording service. Once you've made your selections, click Save. The third option is Incoming Call to a User, then to Voicemail Box. This routes inbound callers to a user, and if they fail to answer, they will be transferred to the voicemail box of your choice. By default, you will see that you will only have open hours. If enabled, you can also add lunch hours, after all hours, or holidays. You will need to configure each of the different hours available based on the call routing needs. They can also be different. For example, during open hours, you can have a user answer, then route to the virtual receptionist. During closed hours, you can route directly to the virtual receptionist instead. To set up the greeting by phone for each of these, the system must be in that mode. For example, the system must be in lunch hours for you to call in and record the lunch hours greeting and for the lunch hours pin to work. For security reasons, you must have a registered VoIP device on the account in order to record the greeting by phone using the PIN number. Once you've made your selections, you can click Save Changes again and everything will be saved. And there you have it. That is how you use incoming call handling within your VirtualPBX dashboard.